Hello Junior Learning House, I am Pats and we are doing another one of our maths matrix squares today. So let me show you which one. Let's bring it up together. So here, almost giving it away. Hopefully you didn't see anything there. So we are doing number 5, problem solving. That's what this one's called. And it says 5 animals are standing behind a fence. 5 animals. How many legs can you see? So what I thought we'd do is let's do that part first and then we'll get to the second part, okay? So here we go. Here are some animals and I've drawn them and you can just see their feet. Right, so we've got a few different types of feet that you can see as well. Now, am I the best at drawing? No, not at all, but it doesn't matter. You just have fun and have a bit of a guess. So maybe have a guess. That's what we could do. So maybe you could write down the word guess, G-U-E-S-S. Maybe you can have a guess and then we can find out the actual number or the real number at the end. So write down maybe on your page, of course, put the date and write down guess and actual, G-U-E-S-S-A-C-T-U-A-L, guess and actual. Now, what a guess means is, well, we don't know exactly how many animals there are here, but we're going to try and guess how many animals. So what I'd like you to do before you move on is make sure you've paused the video and you've written the date, and you've paused the video and you've written just the word guess is fine. And I want you now to guess how many animals, because let's flip everything over, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how many animals, but you have to guess first, otherwise you ruin the game. So write down your guess. Is there 2 animals? Is there 3 animals? Have a look. Can you see some feet are a little bit different to others? You guess and you tell me. So pause the video, write down the number of animals that you guess, whether it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write your guess. And now, right now, I'm showing you. Here we go. Let's show you how many animals there are. So write down your guess. Make sure you've written down your guess. All right. Here we go. Let's have a look. Whoa, look at all the different animals. So we've got a chicken here with very long legs. 1. We've got kind of bird, emu, with very long legs. So that's our 2nd animal. We've got a little pony here, or a little horse. That's our 3rd animal. We've got a big elephant. What type of crazy farm is this? We've got a big elephant up here. 4. And we've got a cat, like my cat at home. 5. There you go. So it doesn't matter if your guess was right or it was wrong. It was just a little bit of fun. But this word here, actual, that's really important. That means how many was there really? What was the right answer? And there was 1 chicken, 2 emu, 3 pony, 4 elephant, 5 cat. So there was actually, well, the answer was 5. Did you guess them right? Did you get them wrong? Make sure you've written your guess in your workbook and I can see. So let's go and have a look at the worksheet. So the worksheet says, 5 animals are standing behind the fence. How many legs can you see? So let's count our legs as well. How many can you see? Now, we were guessing the animals before, so let's make another little word and let's write down legs. But I thought it'd be fun showing you that we can guess the animals. So legs, let's move this a little bit closer. There we go. So let's guess. So let's count how many legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Brilliant. There we go. So you've guessed how many animals. We've written actually the answer of how many, And we've written the legs as well. Now let's go back to our homework sheet and let's do the next part, because we sort of broke this one up. It's a very big question. Next it says, so we've done the first part, well done. Next it says, draw the fence and the 5 animals. Remember, not all animals have 4 legs. So can I tell you what I would do? Let me show you what I would do. And you know, we've still got a little bit of page down here. You always want to try and use all of your paper up so that you're not wasting any paper. So what I would do is, let's say I would draw a few different animals. I would draw the ground first. That's a good reference point for your drawing, okay? I would draw the ground and then I would draw a couple animals. Let's say we want to start with, now is my drawing the best in the world? No. Does it matter? No, just do your best. And draw a little cat, okay? Here we go. And let's say the cat has their legs down there. Now, probably your cat might be better than mine, and if so, that's fine too. So what I would do is I would draw your animals first. That's what I would be doing. And let's say, you know, what other animal did I have? I had a horse. So we have like a horse with like a long face and long sort of body and like tail at the end, and a couple of 4 legs for our horse there. And horses have hooves. They don't have, you know, regular paws or claws or hands like we do. They have hooves. So there's 2 animals. Now that's just a very quick way of doing it. Now what you can then do is, if you've got a ruler or if you've got something with a flat edge that you can draw against, well then what you can do is you can go over and you can make your fence that way. And I think it's a little bit easier. So you've got that line, cool. Well then, you know, you might need to go back and adjust the paws of your animals. But then what you can do is you can color in. Color in that fence with maybe a different color. I'm just using gray just so this video isn't 4 hours long. So just coloring in that fence. And you know, you'll have more animals, because remember, we want 5 different ones. This is just an example with 2. And then maybe you can do the same with your mum or your dad or someone in your family. You could find a way to cover up, maybe with another book, cover up the top part of the animals so you can only see the feet at the bottom, and color them in so they can't see the legs. And then ask your mum or your dad or your brother or your sister or your auntie or your carer to guess how many different animals. And there you go. So that's it for today. So let's go back and have a look. So number 1, you've done the first part. You've guessed how many animals there were, and we've counted the legs, and we've seen the actual number. Number 2, draw your fence with 5 different animals. I only drew 2, so make sure you go back and draw 5 animals. And remember, not all animals have 4 legs. So some animals like chickens have 2, you know, or emus, very big birds, have 2. Maybe you want to be really tricky and put a snake or something that has no legs. That'd be interesting. So take your time. And the last part, remember what you'll be doing is drawing those different animals with the different feet and getting people to guess. But that's it for today, and that is another square. So hopefully this video has helped. Make sure your date is on your work and get your parents to take a photo and send it to us. But we'll see you again for another video very soon. Goodbye.